Oh, okay. They started recording. Great. I hope everyone has opened their Tableau. And
Hi, are you the one recording?
no, not me. Not me.
Please, who is recording so we know who to ask for the recording from?
I think the admin is the one recording.
Because you're the only co-host and in
Yeah,
here.
yeah. I think it's the admin that is recording, and me. If you want, I can stop it and start recording, and I send it to them when I finish.
Yes, please.
If you can find out Taye who is really recording, at least the person should, even if it's the admin.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Or if you can record on their behalf, we'll appreciate it.
No, I can record. Like the last time I recorded, and I put it on the. I was looking for. I think it's only them that can stop that recording. I can't stop it. I can only pause it, but I can't stop the recording, unfortunately.
No, it's not stopping it. It's just to confirm so that when they are asking for the
Don't worry. Then you just drop me a message, and I will make sure you get it. Trust. Okay. You can see my screen, right? So it's a CSV file that I've sent to us. So we just a text file like we've normally been doing. And the good thing is today is just only one tab, but with this tab we can do so many visualizations. So unlike last week that we had to do a table join, yeah, was it last week? Yeah. So I've imported my data. I'm sure by now we should all be familiar with importing data into Tableau. Very easy without any issues. Let me know if that's right.
So we're using text file to open it, isn't it?
Yes, it's a CSV file. Yeah.
Nice.
If anybody needs Excel, I can quickly make one in Excel.
Sorry, which of the files are we inputting?
Sorry?
Which of the files are we inputting?
I just sent it a few minutes before 8 p.m.
Is it Amazing Math?
No, it's the UK bank customer.
Okay.
The file that I sent is the one we're using that I sent it last week Thursday thinking we'll do it. I sent it again about 3 minutes before 8 o'clock. So this is the data that we are using. Like we have the customer ID, we have name, surname, gender, age, we have the region, we have job classification and date join. So this is a dummy bank account. So this is not a bank account. It's just a dummy bank account that we're saying the age groups, the names, where they come, what type of jobs, and when they've joined. And if we look, then we have the um, dimension side. You have the balance, like what balance they have, and so on and so forth. So we just click on sheet one. That's how we go into our worksheet, and then we can start visualizing. Last week when we did the map, Europe, yes.
If you go back, I don't have up the list you have on the if you go back to the previous page you were before, when you upload the CSV file,
Yeah.
I don't have that list that you have on your left-hand side.
This
I don't have all of them. I have only about
no,
seven.
this is not these are my this is my desktop is not
Ah,
like if
okay.
you see Amazing Math or Reconciliation SQL. So this is from my desktop.
Okay, okay.
Don't worry about that. This as long as you have this one here, this you're good
Yeah.
to go.
Sorry, Ty, I can't find the download. I don't know why.
Check the chat, is there in the chat.
No, I've
Check the
downloaded it
chat.
already, but I could not find it on my system.
Yeah, where
Yeah.
did you download it? It
Same
depends
here.
where maybe is it download? Is it desktop? Is it document? Where do you save your downloads? Or where?
It's down on download. I'm surprised. I'm
I
not seeing this one there.
Did
I
you
did
press
mine.
Excel? Oh, if you press Excel, you will not find it. Unless you
No.
press text file. That's why I said it's a CSV file.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's true.
Stop that.
Because Tableau is smart.
CSV file.
If it's an Excel file and you click on text file, it will target only CSV files on your system. It will ignore because it's not looking for that. And the case is vice versa.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes?
You said it's not Excel file.
It's a CSV file.
CSV. Okay. Thank you.
So you got it now, right?
Yes, thank you.
So please, when I say CSV, I've said it again and again. Text file is for CSV. Excel is for Excel. So if you have a text file like CSV file on your system and you choose Excel, you won't see that. So Tableau is trying to make you not to choose the wrong file. That's why it won't show you. So you won't be making mistake while presenting. So we have this data here, and from here, it seems as if we don't have so much, but we do actually have so much we can do here. And if you remember from last week, we we have something called longitude and latitude where we can draw map of Europe. The reason why I'm saying that is in this region, we have region as a category value. If we just put it here, you see that we have England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. Normally, it should be a map because Tableau should automatically recognize that, okay, this is a map, this is, but today it's not. And this is where, that's why I've actually kind of made the data like that so that we can create our own map ourselves in case we don't have this automatic longitude and latitude map. So how do we do this? We go to region and we click the drop down. And if you go to geographical row, I've tried all this before I found out that the best one to choose is state and province. So that's the one that we will need. And when we click on that, you can see that automatically this ABC has changed to like a geographical, like a world map. So now it's turned into like a world map.
Oh, okay.
Any question?
Now we have latitude and longitude.
No, you don't have it. Oh, you have it now because
Yes, we have it.
we generated that because we changed this, but before we didn't have. So that's why I was saying that we can generate that ourselves So if you have a data set that you can say that this is a region or a country, then you can create that yourself, just in case Tableau did not do that for you. So we can drag this and just drag it here, for example. Or if you want, another way to do that is just double clicking on latitude and double clicking on longitude. So if you do that, you're going to get a map like this. All you just have to do is put map here and drop it here. I mean region, sorry. This is quite big. Are we okay?
Yep.
And you want me to come again?
Please do it again. I'm not getting this.
So, but have you gotten the longitude and latitude?
Yes.
Yeah, just double click on each of them.
Okay. And then I put the region in color.
No, just put the region in the middle. Like, I didn't put it in color, just, oh, because let me do it again. Maybe if that works, I just did this, like, then I just put region. I just drag region here, and that's all I did. Or if you don't want to go through all
Yes.
those press, you can just put region and just click region and put it here. No, sorry, it won't work. And then put region. Let me see if I put region to color. Yeah, it did work. So you can just put it to color here. Are we all good? Everybody on the same page?
Yes.
All right. So we've gotten, we're not there yet. This is, we can see a map of England, but because this is we know that this is a map right now, and it's on automatic. So that's why we have, like you see, this dot. We want a proper map now that would distinguish that this is a proper United Kingdom.
I'm not seeing any dots. I'm not seeing anything. I have the longitude and that latitude there. I have the region there, but it didn't bring anything. It's just still giving me a blank.
Did you put region in color?
Yes, region is in color, but there's nothing there.
You mean you don't have this dot here?
No, it's beside England, right?
No, we have like England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales.
No, don't worry. I'll probably figure it out later because I can't see it at all. Let me go back. Let me
Anyway,
remove it again.
if you change this for everyone, like we're changing this from automatic to map, and maybe you don't even need that. Just change it to map. You see, it's going to give us something different now.
I see all the layers. Okay, I don't have that. It says 4 unknowns under my.
Ah, I see. So click that for unknowns.
Okay.
Yes, you will see. Then you will now click edit, and then you will see up. You have to click on United Kingdom if you get something like that. So you see 4 unknowns around here. You click it. You say edit. Then you see a drop down of list of countries. Then once you press United Kingdom, it will now pair these states together. Have you found something like that? No, yes, maybe.
Yes, it's done it.
Yeah.
It worked.
So,
Yes.
okay. Anyone else have that issue? Because I remember from
Yes,
my
how
previous.
did you get to this place? As in getting this color, all these colors.
Do you have this map?
Yes, I do. I've already put my region at the bottom below the details, below the details and
No,
tooltip.
just put region to color. Anything you put there
Okay.
will be under it, and then you change automatic to map. You choose
Okay.
map here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What was in automatic, you can see, and then we want map.
Okay. Yeah, I'm there now. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Are we out there? Please let's talk if we have any issues so I can resolve that. All right. So now what we can do now is we don't have number of customers, and that's what I want to make us to be aware of. We don't have numbers of customers so that of like there's no, it's just customer ID, but the customer number we don't have. But Tableau has compiled the numbers of row, and numbers of row is the same as the numbers of customers. So we're going to use this quite a lot. So this that you see PIUK, not only for this data, any data that you see, every data that we have been doing, only that we've not been using the numbers of row. We've always have this in that data that Tableau will draw for us. So we are going to be using this as our numbers of customers. So it can be, so the numbers of row is, I don't know, anything you want to do, maybe numbers of observation or anything.
Sorry, excuse me. Sorry.
Yes.
It's how can I adjust the size of the view of the map?
I mean, you can, like, maybe you mean this like this.
Yeah, I tried that, but it's not still working. As
Is
in the
it
way you
this
just
one?
did it.
You just put your hand, like, you widen your hand, and then you, like,
No,
normal.
I'm not talking about the map itself. I'm talking about the body, the body of it.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to find, like, you see, where this change. Then you can expand, you can go back, and then the same. You can, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Let me try it again.
No problem. So when we take the numbers of customers and we put it to label, you can see now it has now put the numbers of customers for England is the numbers of customers that the bank has in England is 215. In Wales is 520. In Northern Ireland is 211, and so on and so forth. So that's that's how we'll do that. And we want to make it maybe a bit bolder.
Sorry, can you do it again, please?
I just drop this bank customer. So this is what Tableau have generated the numbers of rows for us. So numbers of rows, and every customer is different. So it's not a duplicated something. So it means that the numbers of rows is the same as the numbers of customers. So by the time we just put it to label, we just put it like that. Any question?
No,
Oh,
thank you.
yeah. I see that it's the same people that ask me question or talk every week. Are we shy or please? Please, if you are far behind, there's no stupid question here, please. Okay, so we want to format here. I want us to try and make this bold, these numbers, before I do it. I know you can't show me but I would like us to I'll give us a minute to do that. It's just for us to try what we have been doing, how we have been formatting, and yeah. So make it bold and make it the font size to be 12.
I've done mine.
All right. I'll wait for 2 more people to say they've done theirs. And sorry, I didn't hear that.
I said I've done mine.
No, I heard you. I thought a lady spoke now.
Okay.
Oh, I heard you.
Done.
I've done mine too.
Done my one.
Okay, cool. So who wants to help me out?
Done mine also.
So who wants to help me?
I
Just tell
can.
me what to do.
You right click on the board of the map,
Yeah.
then you go to format.
Oh, and which one?
There you
What
go.
do I do here?
You go to the worksheet,
Okay.
then you click on the bold.
All right.
Yeah, then you go to the other one to increase the size.
All right. Cool. Thank you, sir. So
Sorry, I
yeah.
didn't get that, sir. I didn't get that.
Which one? Is it to make it bold?
Yes. You said you right click and format and thereafter. What else?
So he said we right click in the sheet and then you do format. You have this panel, then in worksheet. It means that you want to target what's in this worksheet. And then you just this drop down, that's all. You put black or whatever color and then bold and whatever size you want. Yeah, and that's it. And we are done. That's how easy that is. Look how easy it is. That's one visualization that we have done with. Everyone okay with this?
Yes.
Can I
Yeah,
go ahead?
one question.
Yes, please.
When you make it bold, it does affect the region. You know, those colors are on your right, top right there. England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales.
Yeah.
If you make it bold, you affect those other.
Yeah, because it's part of it. It's
Okay.
because it's part of we call this legend, but anything we do here, it's you can see it, Wales, it's just outside, so that we know, okay, we live here, so definitely you will know this is Scotland, this is England, but for someone who maybe in another continent, trust me, in America, they don't even know what's a United Kingdom. So that's why we have this say that, okay, blue means England. Or if it's something you don't know, that's why we have this color legend that is always showing. So anything you target here will always have effect here as well.
Good, thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions?
Yeah. On the main map, is there a way to make the region bold?
The what?
You know, we can see the numbers in bold, the number of customers, the
Yes.
region like Denmark, Ireland, on the main
No,
map.
because we are not targeting those
Is
people.
there a way to make it bold?
No, we are not interested in those. So there's no data for. You see, why we can only target those is because another way we could do this is if you do click this and say format. And everything we are formatting, because this is only what is representing. we're just getting this because it's like a map of Europe. We just don't want a plain something. So we can't target this because we don't have any data on them. I understand what you're saying, but no.
Yeah, but the one we have, like England, Northern Ireland, Scotland and Wales here.
Yeah.
Is there a way to, we've done for the customer, they are all in bold, but is there a way to make the region bold as well, in terms of the formatting?
How do you mean bold? Like,
So for instance, here on the main map, we've got 2159, but the United Kingdom, you can barely see it.
oh, you mean
Is there a way to make it bold?
no. So United Kingdom is, how do I want to say? It's purposely left very light because if United Kingdom is actually showing bold here, it's showing under England. I don't know if you understand. So if I put region again, let's say in label, you can see. Do you get what I'm saying? So United Kingdom is purposely made to be that not so visible. I don't know if you get me. So United Kingdom is not actually part of the data. It's just okay. This is United Kingdom, but it's just unfortunately to be um, inside England. So that's why it's a bit light. And we don't need that because when you say United Kingdom, we're talking about these four entities. And if it's bold here, we're trying to say this is United Kingdom, this, which is not. You see, when we click it, we can't find, United Kingdom is not showing. I don't know if that's logic, if you understood that, but actually we don't need, no one needs that or nobody needs it because we know it's both all United Kingdom. All these four is what is called United Kingdom, not just this.
That's fine, but you just did something now, on the actual map. You were able to introduce England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. How did you do that?
Yeah, it's just to drop region to
catch that.
the label. Look, that's all. But because look, we have this on the right. We don't need this anymore. That's why. So we're trying to make, when you're doing visualization, the main purpose is to make it as clean as possible and as less congested or less congested. Yeah, that's what I would say. Since we have England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales, on this, which will be here, we don't need to put it here anymore. So that's why I have not put it, or I wouldn't put it there. It's easy to cross-reference this four with this legend here, because it's only for countries. But if you wish to, yeah, why not? Okay, so we name this map like our map of United Kingdom, if you want to go as far. So we go to another. I can move on, right?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
So our next visualization is a very quick and easy one. From this, can anyone tell me what I can use as a visualization here? Let's just crack our brain a bit. Anyone?
ID,
Sorry?
customer ID or gender. We want to know the gender.
Customer ID? Nah. It won't give us any information about anything. But gender, yes. And how would you use gender? I mean, it's good if you don't know. It's no problem. Just gender is good. That's what I want to do. That's the next one actually. Do you want me to drag it?
Gender and job classification. What about that? Or age and job
age.
classification.
Good. I'm in a very intelligent class. So all what you said, I'm going to use them, but I will use them independently. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah, so job classification, gender, age, I'm going to use them independently. So yeah. Let's start with gender. If you just drag gender, and as I said, we're going to be using this a lot. So the numbers of row is equals to the numbers of male and female together. So if you put it here, let's put it here. It will give you the total between male and female. So what visualization do you think would be so good to view gender?
Amount of
No, I mean visualization. What visual would you choose? Bar chart, pie
Bar
chart.
chart will be okay.
What?
Bar chart.
I will use a pie chart.
The buy or pie?
Bar, B-A-R.
No,
pie
well,
might be
So we
good.
can use pie charts.
Use
We've used
pie.
that before.
Yeah, pie chart will be good. Bar chart is you will need more, how do I want to say, much more category for a bar chart. Because two, it will just be two. Okay, let's try bar chart. Let us even see if that's possible. Yeah, it's possible, but yeah, would you like this?
To make it vertical.
I know. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. But it's not changing anything.
I think the gender will be in column and the counting will be in row.
Okay,
If we
let's
change
see.
it, no, it's still not
It's
that
still the
way.
same.
No,
I think pie
this
chart
was
is
this
much
was the
better
way
for
it
this
was
kind of.
before.
Yeah.
Gender should be in column, then the counting should be in row. If it will change, I don't know.
The counting should be in row.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, but you think this is good,
No, it's not.
like it's just two. It's, so thanks for making an attempt, but I'll go with the people who says pie chart. No. It's good to make let's discuss. It's good. Also, before I chose pie chart, I was trying out everything. So it's because I've done this before. It's not that I just automatically know that it's pie chart I will use. So let's use pie chart and see. Or let's use bubble. Nah. So yes, we can use bar chart and we can increase the size. Just click on size. By the time you want to increase any size of anything that you want, you just click size here and then don't click it too big because it becomes square. I don't know why. Like if you click like this, it becomes square.
Yes.
I don't know why.
If we put it in entire view, it should be fine. Like laptop entire view, then instead of standard.
Okay.
Instead of standard. No, not that one, no.
You mean enter? Oh,
Well, then
okay.
you have to reduce the size from.
Mine is changing.
No, yeah.
Okay. And now we want to, so how do I do, okay, this you see, male, female. You see, female is blue. Male. I want to change this color. I want male to be blue and female to be pink. Can somebody walk me through this, please?
You right click, format.
I want to use another method now.
Just
See,
go to the
that's right. That's right. Don't misunderstand me, please. That's correct. But I would like to format in another
I think you
way.
can do it by going to gender.
Where?
go
Which
to
gender?
color on the
Gender.
mass card.
Okay.
Color on the mass card, then you can change it from there.
Column?
Or you can do it through the legend. Yeah, on the mass card, color.
You mean this?
No,
No,
it
no,
says
no.
color.
No.
On the
On the
Color,
mass
yeah.
card, yeah.
Yeah, you
on
can
the
do
Yeah,
that.
edit colors.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or if you want this, you can
Yeah.
edit format legend. No, sorry, not format. Be careful. It's edit. Format is like edit color. Yeah. So what do I do next?
It's not going to work like that. It's not going to
Click
work.
on the automatic.
What you do is,
No, it's going to work.
Assign palette.
Assign palette, yes.
Yeah.
You have to click on the one you want to change first.
Yes,
Yeah.
no, but you have to click assign palette first.
Yeah, okay. You can
And
choose
then
it.
you
That's true, yeah.
choose female, and then we can choose pink. Then you click on male, blue. I think we're all smart people. Maybe I can go early today and finish up. Yeah.
You can still do it. You can still do it in another pattern.
Yeah. Show me.
You click on any of the color on the board.
Column.
No, any of the male or female. Just click on it. Click on it.
Yeah.
Then go to color.
You mean color, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it's still the same edit.
Yes, then it goes.
No, I know. This is why I said you can do it from here,
Yeah.
or here, or right click. Just there's so many ways we can. So anyone, you can just choose anyone that you know that okay sticks to you and you want to use always. Yeah. Okay. So how do we want to know how many people are female and male?
Sorry, how did you bring the pie chart to the middle?
I just put entire view. Like if I put back to standard, it will go back to be.
Okay. Thank you. So
I want the numbers of male and female to show on this pie chart. How do I go about it?
You can
So I'm
put
enjoying this interaction.
You put
Gender
the
in detail? No, in label?
No, not the gender.
no,
I
you
think
put
the
the
counting,
counts.
the
Yes.
count
count.
in label.
The counts in label.
Wow, it's good. That's very good. Really, really, really good. Yeah, so that's good. Now we know that there are 2,165 and 1,849. And if we add these two, we get this 4,014 rows. Yeah, so, but there's something that, because we've done the total numbers of people here, so this is more like in percentage. I would like to change this to percentage.
Yeah, we have to do that from the label, from the CNT, the last one. Then check, do the percentage of total.
I have to bring Candice for you guys to next time. This one, right?
Yeah.
And what do I choose?
Quick table.
Yes.
Yeah, percent of total. Yeah.
And we clap for him. I mean, that's very good. So we want to change those numbers into percentage. This is what we call quick table calculation. So there is a lot. We'll do it again, don't worry. So what you have to do is, the numbers of what gave you this total is what you are going to click down, and then you say quick table. There's a lot of things you can do, percentile, anything you want. This is what we call quick table calculation. So we click on quick table and we say percentage of total. And I want all of us to format this number to 0 decimal places. So the male will now be 54% and the female will be 46 to 0 decimal places.
Is there anyone here? What happened?
No, I want you to do it yourself, then I will do it.
Oh, okay.
I just gave you 30 seconds. I want us to format that into 0 decimal places. Then make it bold and
Converted to percentage yet. Don't know why.
so wait, be careful. You should use this count of total with the label.
Yes.
Not with this, with the T.
Let me see.
Sorry?
Yeah, with the T.
Yeah. And make sure that it's not percentile. Count of percentage of total.
George goes to bed. Quick table, right?
Sorry?
I should go to quick table.
Yeah, quick table, yeah.
Then percentage of total.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Is that done now?
Yes.
Sorry, a bit of my screen is cracked, so sometimes I don't see a particular. That's why if you see me drop down, so yeah, quick table calculation, percent of total. You can do percent difference, running total, rank, moving average. Moving average is when you are doing statistics. Yeah. So hope we are able to do to format this. So the best way to just do it is to right click here, format, and then I will first do like bold.
Okay, you're moving too fast. I didn't say that was. I don't know what happened there.
Okay. So we can also do like this here, format. This is much easier to go. Okay.
Okay.
So you know that we got this percentage with this. So anything you want to format, you can still use this. Or there is another way. You can right click. This is a longer way. And then you have to, this field you want to target, the percentage. Then you click on this. And then you can go percent and two. But the easiest one is this one, and format. It takes you there directly. And then you can see numbers. You can click on percentage, and because it's percentage, and then we just remove the 2 decimal places, and we're done. Everyone got that?
Yep.
Good to move on.
Yeah, sorry, I have a question. You
Yes.
know, on these, where we have gender in color, then underneath it, we have the count, the customer count.
Yeah.
But that very one, I don't have it.
Which one?
This one, angle. Okay.
Angle,
All
yeah.
right, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know it now. Yeah, that's fine. Just to drag it to the angle, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a question. How did you
Yes.
move it to the center? I mean the pie chart. I heard you saying angle.
You don't. You can just entire view. I guess you're in standard. Yeah.
Okay.
You can just entire view.
All right. Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else can say how easy it is? I mean, we still have 3
Yeah,
more.
sorry, yeah. You know that angle because initially I mixed it, so it's not on my Tableau. So what's the purpose of that angle?
Well, is there even a no? Let me
Because
see.
initially I was not using it and everything looks okay. Yeah.
Yeah, let me. If I remove it, I don't think it's just an angle. It's not actually because I removed it now. It's not actually really affecting the visualization in any way.
Yeah, so
So
that's why I think because initially I didn't add it and everything, it doesn't impact
I think it came on
the
its own.
visualization. Yeah.
It's good that you observe it. All right. Here we're done with that. You can see just a very easy visualization, just telling you, okay, we have 54% of the customers in the bank are male and they are female. So now we can say gender, we can call this.
Sorry, excuse me.
Yes.
Mine is
Gender.
still showing 53.936%.
Yeah, we formatted it to 0 decimal place.
So how will I do that, please?
So, on the count on the label, you just click on this drop down, format,
Yeah.
you see numbers,
Okay.
drop down, percentage, and then if you want to increase, you can see.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
George, I need some help. I'm making chocolate chip cookies.
Send me one. All right, so we're done with this. So let's now go to the third one where we are going to be doing interesting things. So we are going to use age. So let's say I put age. Don't do this. Don't worry about it. Age. You can see, and then I change age from dimension into like I put it into a dimension, and then I put our numbers of customers. Just pay attention. Don't worry about it. You can see that we have this line chart or this kind of a time series map. And if we put a bar chart, you see we have, how do I want to say? This bar chart is too granulated, like it's every age has a bar chart. And I think it's not that quite good in presentation. I mean, this is quite a lot. And I think it's good if we create a bin. So let's say that we want to create a bin of age of 5. So let's say from 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Are we getting what I'm saying? Rather than just using this, and I think this is just overwhelming, and nobody wants to know exactly 38 years or 37 years or 39 years. They just want to know, like, okay, maybe between 30 and 35, this is it. And I'm sure we've created like a bin in maths, like how to create a bin. So we're going to do that here with Tableau. That's why I said, don't worry about what I just did. So when we go to age, we right click and you see create, you can see calculated field group bins. You click on bins, and then we want the bin to be group size of 5. Okay, so that's what I meant, like size of 5. And we press OK. It will move from here. You will have it here.
Can you do that again?
So you just, age, you click this drop down.
Okay.
Create and bins. That's it.
Okay.
And if you say, then you click, you give it 5. Like if you want 10, you can say 10. You can say 15. You get it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So we use 5?
Yeah, we use 5 for now. Did we all get that? Because it's very important that we get this, because I'm going to create a parameter very soon that's going to affect that. So I want us to make sure that we are on the same page.
Please come again. Please.
So I want to create an age bin. The one I showed us earlier on was every age we had a bar chart for every age. Let me do that again. Don't worry about this. Don't worry. We're not. You can see we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and so on. So this is not a proper bar chart where you are not grouping. So it's good that we group this age together. And I said that I want to group them in 5s. So like 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 will be one bar, 20 to 25, and so on. Did we get that? So that's how I have created a bin. That's how, why I've done this is to show us how to create bins. So we just click down here, create, and bins. And then you just click, you just put 5. I already have it, so that's why I just say okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. All good?
Yep.
So now let's now do the same that I just did. This age bin that we have here, we put it here, and this numbers of customers. You can see that it's now much beautiful. I mean, much presentable and much nicer. Are we all good? Or you need few time to digest what just happened here?
Sorry, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for getting you back. How did you get
no worries.
the age back into the bin? How did you do that?
So age, you click here, you create. We want to create bins. The first one I showed us was each age had their bar. But now if you look, we have 20, 25, 30, 35. It means that this is between 25 and 30, 30 and 35, 35 and 40, and so on and so forth. So the way to create that is just drop down, create bins. I mean, you could do 10 if you want, but because we don't, this is good enough for 5. I will show us how we can adjust this age group, this in terms of bins, but just understand how we create this bin for now. So that's how you press OK, and then it will come up because we've changed it now from dimensional to a category, because we've turned it into a category. So now that's why it's become a category, and that's why that's gone up here. So we now bring this, put it here, and when we use our customer, and then we put it here.
I have a question.
Yes.
So when we look at the age, this
Yes.
15, 20, 25, 30, thereabout,
Yes.
does this mean that we're talking about people age 0 to 15, people age 16 to 20, people age, because it's confusing. Are we talking specifically about this age? Because
No,
if I'm viewing it, I may be confused myself.
No. The age group, of course, is somebody who is age 5 or 10 will not have a bank account. So actually the age starts from 15.
Okay.
So that's why you have 15.
What
So
about everyone in between 15 to 18? Are they in that under that 15?
they are under that 15. That's why it's
Okay,
been
between
on that.
okay.
That's why we've done it in 5s now.
Okay.
So for 50, you have 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 55, you have 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
But is
And
there a
so
way to display it in which it will actually say under that bar that
no,
15 to 19?
no.
Okay.
That's the one I created before was showing every single age. And trust me, you don't want every single age. Even when we are doing math, they say make a bin. Even when you are doing in visualization in Python, it's a bin. You want to make a category like 5 to 10, 10 to 15. It could
Yeah.
be okay. Imagine the next one would be account balance. Can you imagine having, if I have to do account balance and I have to show every account balance in bar chart, how long it will be? So that bin, I will make it in tens, in 10,000. It means those who have balance between 0 and 10,000, those between 10,000 and 20,000, just to have a very good, presentable, and actually like a category bar chart. It's a good question that you've asked. Like, okay, and let's say that we are presenting and the stakeholder asks us that, okay, I don't really like 5, the way you've grouped. Oh, it's nice, but I want to see the age group in tens. Like, we've done it in 5s, but he wants to see it in tens. Are you getting the question? And on the fly, you want to be agile, you want to show that, yes, you know what you're doing, but it's going to be very bad if you have to go here again, because the only way you can do that is, this is 5s, but he wants to see it in 10s. And right in front of him, or in front of them, you don't want to be clicking on this, edit, now putting here in 10. You see what I just did? Then there is a way that we can do something that all you have to just do is just to slide, and then you can do whatever you want to do. Rather than like, okay, what if you have to change to 20? You will be doing the same thing again, which is okay, but it's not very well professional. So what we call a parameter. So this is where the power of parameter comes in. And I had a student that got an interview and they asked her to create a parameter. like part of the question was to create a parameter. So how do you create a parameter? So you right click here. It's quite simple. There's no big deal about it. It's just a big name. You right click here and you say create parameter. That's it. You create parameter. You give it the name of the parameter. So we want the parameter to work with age group. So we say age group. Sorry. Age group. And we want it as integer because it has to be whole number. And we want it as range. So minimum. I don't know what minimum should I put. 1. Maximum, I'll say 25. Sorry. And then step. Step means by how many? I will say 5. So minimum. Yeah. Do do you want me to do it again?
No, finish up.
So where we click OK. You can see the parameter is here. And then we click like, so I can't really see. Sorry, my screen is broken there. So show parameter. This is what I mean. You can say 1 or if. Okay. But you can see that it's not having any effect here.
Yeah.
So this is what I mean, that imagine they tell that, okay, what if we want the age in 5s? So you are not coming here again. But since we've not connected these parameters to this age bin, I have to go to this age bin. I will do it again. Don't worry. Don't worry. So edit. So instead of me to choose my age bin, the last one was 10. I'll just right click and you see this age group that I created. I'll just choose it. And then you can see that because it's in 25 now, that's why it's there. If I go like this, you can see sliding and then 11. I will change. So that's what I mean. Like I've put 1 because you can see that this is how our bar chart would be if we have every age group. Did you get me? So this is how it would be. And if I want it in 5, so like, okay, this, but it's giving me 666, like in terms of 6. So that's why you see 26 to 24 to 26. So once again, how to create a parameter. You can create a parameter. Right click on this, just this empty place, create a parameter, give it age group, like age group, make it as an integer because it's a whole number, and then we want a range. So you can make your own start from 5. I can make it start from 5, maximum, say 20, and the steps means like when it's moving from 1 to 5, 1 to 6 is step of 5. So I want 5 every step, every 5 steps. I don't know if you got that.
Oh no.
Which one is it?
Do you want us to?
Sorry?
Can you start again from
the beginning?
To create parameter, please.
So just right click anywhere, like doesn't matter anywhere. You see first thing, second one, create parameter. Because we're aiming to target age, so I want to name it age group. So name it something that is whatever you want your parameter to target. That's what you should name it. And then put group because it's like a group. So it says age group already exists. So I just put 1 because I already have it when I made it. So float means like a decimal number, but we want an integer number. And then we want range. And it's just telling us what value of that range that we want. For me, I chose 1 for my range to start, but maybe I want to use 5. And then the maximum is 20. 20 means like maximum, like to the end. I chose 25 here, that's why you have 25. And then the steps means, how do you want steps of 2, like 2s? Then if it's 2, it will be from 5 to by 2, it will be 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and all. But I want the step of 5s. So that's what it means by step. And you press OK. Have you all been able to create parameter?
Yes.
You want us to create a second one, just like you?
No. I
Okay.
created the second one because I was showing. No. I'm going to remove 1. Is everyone okay?
Yeah, I've created a parameter.
Yes.
My slider
Okay.
is not.
Now, if you create, make sure that it's only 1 parameter you create, whichever one. Then you will now say, like, go here and show parameter so that you can see it. I think I will remove the first one because so then we want this parameter to work with this visualization that we have done. The H bin that you created, you go there, you click on that drop down, you click edit. Okay? And then from this drop down, the size of bin. So instead of the size of bin that we said 5 or 10, it will not be the name of our parameter. You see age group 1, the name that you created here, you will choose it here. And then you press OK. As you can see, we have 5. If I click on this, 10, 15, I said 20 should be maximum, as you can see. So this is what I meant by if somebody asks you that, okay, the age group of 5, I don't really like it. What about 10? Rather than going here and doing everything, all you just have to do is click this. And that makes you, smart. And that's the power of parameter. And it's being used a lot because when you're doing analysis, you want to look at different steps or different like this age group now. Okay, what if it's intense? How will it change? And you will know this. Maybe you are not seeing the effect now, but when we make a dashboard, by the time we are clicking days and the map of England is moving, everything is moving, gender, job classification, then you appreciate the power of parameter. We're going to do the same thing again in our next visualization. And before we go, we just have to change this this name here, this axis. So we just say right click, edit axis, and we give it another name. We'll just say percentage of customers. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's it. You know that we did percentage in gender, and we need to be consistent. So we need to change this to percentage. So we're just going to go it down here as we have done.
Please, how did you change the name? I can't find it. It doesn't give me title to be able to change.
No, you just right click, it just click and right click, edit axis and title here, and you just
Please, sir.
yes.
My parameter, I don't know how I'm going to make it show by the side.
So you go to parameter here.
Yes.
This. So you go to parameter. You say show parameter. That's all.
Okay.
Have you been able to connect the parameter to?
Yes, I've done that.
So we want to convert this to percentage now. So we want to measure the age groups in terms of percentage. So we click here, quick table, and just like the first one, percentage of total. As you can see now, we have our percentage.
Please do that again.
Yes, because I didn't set the quick table, please.
Okay, so you just click the drop down here, quick table calculation, percentage of total.
Okay.
All good?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll just put the counts, I'll put it a color. Why it won't give us any legend, just it will give us like a light or a dark blue. It will just show us like, okay, this we have more and light. It's just for our effects in our dashboard later. So just the count to color, that's all. And I always like to put everything here. It's just me, you can leave yours where it is exactly. So we call this distribution by age. Yes, please. Yes.
The exit. How can I get how you have it in 2%? Like mine is weird.
Mine just automatically, I didn't do anything. I just, what percentage are you getting? Like,
I have 1.5 something. I'm trying to change it in the when you go to edit.
Edit, yeah.
I think I did something I wasn't.
So you go to tick marks,
and
then you can say fix, and then you can say like mine is saying 0. I don't even know. Mine was automatic anyway, so it's not something. Let me say 0.2. No, 0.02. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, it's in percentage. It's 0.02.
It's not working for me. It's giving me an error. I don't even have your screen the way it is. I don't have
No,
mine.
Did you go to tick marks?
Yes.
Did you click fixed?
Yes. Let me see. Maybe I should put 0 because I have 1 in tick origin.
No, 0 and then 0.02.
It says base must be greater than 1. I don't know. I also don't have the minor tick max. I don't have the screen the way you have it. It's weird. Okay, it fixed itself. Thank you. I just clicked reset. Yes.
All right, good to hear. Anybody else? Any question before we move on? We won't be able to do the dashboard today, but we would finish all the visualization. We have 3 more. All right, so great. Let's move to the next one. We want to do distribution by, sorry?
Sheet 3, what is it called?
Distribution by age.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and there's no advantage of having this age bin here. Just right click and hide it. So we're in sheet 4 and we want to create balance. So the way we created the age bin, I want us to create balance with the interval of 10,000. So it's the balance account.
Hi.
Yes.
Sorry. I don't mean to drag you back. How did you hide the age? I can't hide it. I right clicked and there's nothing that says hide.
Let me see. All I did was just, you click on it and then right click, then you see hide. Hide feed label from column.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right, so please create the balance bin of 10,000.
10,000.
Yes, please.
Created.
Created, great.
Sorry, come again, please.
I want us to create the bin for balance with a 10,000 interval.
Oh, balance, okay.
Balance.
Just the way we did age.
I didn't get you, sir, please.
Mine is not coming up.
What?
Click on the
Where are we
drop down.
creating it again?
So the size of the beam should be 10,000, you said?
10,000, right? So we're in another sheet, a new visualization. We want to create.
You're on balance.
Yes, for balance. Just the way we did age.
Down.
All right, so can anybody walk me through it, please?
Click on the
No.
drop down, the balance drop down,
All right.
and then go to create,
Okay.
and then select bins.
Great.
Then on the size there, you
Yeah.
can remove that and type in 10,000.
Very easy. And that's it. As simple as that. There's no magic. That's it. And then it's just the same as the age. Then put the column here and the counts. And we have our bar charts. So as the same, we want to create.
Sorry. Funny enough, I can't drag my chart the way you did yours. Don't know why.
You can't drag what?
The way you resize the chart.
You have to find, usually you just have to find, where
I've
this.
tried it. It's not showing at all.
it will show. You know, try it somewhere like this, and then you can, because that's where it is. And then this one, I just start from here like this, move so slow, you can see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Great. So we want to create another parameter again, just the same way we created the parameter for age. But now we are going to say balance group as the name of that parameter, so that we know that we are going to target the balance bin. So if anyone can do that or tell me, that I'll be very happy.
All right, on the empty space, right
On the
click.
left.
On the left, right click.
Okay.
And select create parameter.
Yeah.
And change the name.
Let me help you with that. Balance group.
Yep.
Because we want to target the balance. Yes. That's great. Thank you.
Do we change the
Then you can
range?
change the range.
Sorry?
No, the next one is data type. Are we supposed to use integer?
Integer always.
Okay.
Unless you don't want to use integer.
Okay. Then you move to range.
I wouldn't use range now.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll kind of use list. Yeah, let's use range. So what's the minimum amount? Is I think we have less than 5,000. So we can say
2,000.
Yeah. Yeah, why not? And I think we have the maximum to be 180K. So we can say 200,000.
Okay.
That's because it's the maximum. Like,
yeah.
Oh, yeah. And what step would you want to put? 5,000 or 10,000?
10,000 will be fine.
So it will be 10, 20, 30.
Yeah.
So we probably will not get. So, we start with 2,000. It means that the next one will be 12,000 and so on. I mean, just play around with it and then you press OK. So what next, please? I still can't see the parameter that I created.
Yeah, show parameter. You go on on the
Okay.
arrow. Yeah.
So, all right, you see 2,000, 12,000, this what but my visualization is not moving. How do I sort that?
Go to balance.
Yes, which balance? There are two balance.
Balance bin.
Okay.
Right click.
Edit.
Yes.
Edit.
Okay.
And choose your
which one?
group.
Age?
No, balance group.
Balance
You
group.
see why I said choose, right? Anything you want to target when you are naming your parameter, make sure it's the name it has to do with. Because imagine we just take group 1, group 2, and then you don't know which one you want to use to target which one. So that's why I said yes, and thank you. This is of 2,000, of course. This is not looking good. And then 12 is yeah. A few people have money. Yeah. I mean, nobody will tell you to go up to this, but it's just to show us how to create a parameter and the power of a parameter for. And yes, we can remove this bin. And then just as we did this, edit axis is name this. We're going to set percentage again of customer. And by now we should know how to change to percentage. Just go here. Quick table calculation, percentage of total.
I can't find my quick table calculations. Where am I right clicking on?
You
Okay,
have to right
I
click
found
on
it.
the row.
I found it.
Sorry, excuse me.
Yes.
I'm having balance bin 1, balance bin 2, balance bin 3. I don't know how I got here.
Must have created them 3 times.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah. So you have to delete the one that you don't need.
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Or if
I
I
want
am you, I'll just delete everything and do a fresh one.
Okay, let me try.
I want to ask, is it possible
Yes.
you create a balance bin and you don't get the adjustment at the right side of your screen? Because I can't see my. I mean the adjustment where you can navigate for step 5, step 4, 10, 20, and all that.
Yeah, we have it here in the balance group here.
Yeah, I can see it on the screen, but on my own screen, it's not showing.
Yeah, but did you go to balance group and click here
Yes.
and say show parameter?
Okay. Show parameter. Oh, I got it now.
To be on your
Thank
right
you.
hand. Yeah.
Yeah.
And have you connected the parameter to the visualization?
Yes.
So when you are creating that slide, is
Mm-hmm.
it moving? Is your
Yeah,
visualization
it's
moving?
moving. It's moving. It's moving.
Great. So yeah,
The
we
minimum
are.
is 2,000, right?
Yeah. Put whatever you really put what you
Okay.
want to put. Be more. I just put 2,000. Sometimes I put 5,000. It's you can put whatever you want to put. So the minimum is 2,000 that I put, but I put every step to be 10,000. So from 2,000 will be 12,000, will be 22,000,
What about the step
32,000.
size?
Sorry?
The step size.
Yeah, I put 10,000 as a step size.
10,000. Okay.
You can put 5,000 to see, try it and see, and put
Okay.
15,000. Yeah. The most important is you get the logic of how to apply this and how to use it. Yeah. So anyway, because we have a blue bar chart already, I would want to choose another color. So I just put this color. I'll just put this to green. That's it. So red now. Apply. Yeah. Because we have the age group to be blue already. So just a different color. You can choose any color you want.
Please, how did you change the color to be green? I'm trying to change my color.
So I've put the count to be color just
Yes.
to see the how dark or how light, and then just click on color.
Oh,
Edit
it's the color. Okay. Okay.
and then you can choose any color you want.
Okay.
Sorry?
Sorry, I'm trying to do something.
I know that's a lot of visualization today, but sorry about that. Anyway, this is a two-part lecture. Today is just to draw. We have one more to go. Sorry?
I'm still backward. I'm trying to like.
So where are you? Please stop me wherever you know you.
Okay. Let me
Don't let us
just.
go so far, and then I mean for
Okay.
me it's okay, just for the other students. Stop me
Let me-
immediately, doesn't matter, okay?
On
Okay.
my right hand side, where you have the colors that you have the CNT, mine just goes all the way from 0K, 5K, 10K, like that. Keep going down. Okay, maybe
Did you put this? Okay, all I did was I'm doing it again. All I did was just put this in color.
Create perimeter.
yeah. You see your top right there,
Yeah.
where you have the color. Mine has all the colors showing 0K, 5K, like that. You keep going.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. So I don't know whether I should edit or format legend there.
No. Is everybody's getting what I'm getting, right? I mean, sorry. I just want to know, maybe it's just me.
Yes, I'm getting it.
Maybe have you done your percentage?
The percentage is so much. I'm having about 140,000 percentage. Like
No, that's not possible. So when you click on quick table calculation, hope you didn't choose percentile.
I think I chose a bin before, so
You should choose percent of total.
can you do that percentage on again?
Or just this drop down here, this count.
Okay.
Quick and yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Okay. All right. So yeah, that's all we have for this. And then
So
the
my
last
percentage is in 5, not in 2.
yeah, it doesn't mean, but if you want it in tools, just right click here, edit, go to tick mark, fix, and then do 0.02.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's finish with the last one, and I will let you guys go. And if you, I don't know the set Thursday again.
What should I name it? What should we name it?
Oh, sorry.
Balance, huh?
Yep, it will be distribution by balance. Sorry about that. Ugh. All right, so the last one, we want to do job classification. So we just drag job classification. We have three, we have blue collar job, white collar job, and others. And as we have been using the counts of the rows, we just put it here and we can see. This we're going to use a tree map. We call it a tree map, but it's not necessarily a tree. Anyway, a tree map is used when you have like 10 categories and you have to show it. So, and it's here. Why isn't it showing?
Because you haven't dragged your counts.
Oh, sorry, I thought I did. Sorry, I did. Yeah. Yeah, you just drag it here, and then we have our tree map. This. Oh, sorry, this one. And you have to minimize it, like, to give you a proper tree.
Which one, please?
Coming. So when you drag your job classification and the count of rows, then you choose this one here. Oh, sorry.
So sorry, I'm behind, please.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, talk to me.
Yeah, I'm at hold on. The job classification
Yeah,
on the
that's
row.
where we.
Yes.
Sorry.
The
Yeah,
job
so
classification on the rows.
yeah, so you
That's
just
what I have.
yeah, and then did you put the count on the?
Yes.
So what did you get?
I'm just seeing numbers on the blue color and the white color, but I'm not seeing the image. The image is not showing.
Yeah, because you have to choose the image. You have to choose it here.
Okay. Click on it, right?
Yeah, just click on it. So I did job classification.
Still is not showing.
I don't know why this is
Still the same thing.
coming. And then count. Did you get this?
Yes.
And then you click on this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And then
Sorry,
you
sir, I
just
didn't get the figures.
did you put count on? So job classification,
Yes.
and then you put
But
count.
yes, when you do job classification, my own figures are not showing.
Or you just job classification, sorry. Job classification, and then just put this in your in label. It's still not
Okay.
showing.
Let me try that first.
So maybe you didn't put it properly and it just went bad. Do
Oh,
you have
okay, yeah.
this? Just put
Yes.
label here. And then you
Yeah,
click on,
it's fine now. Thank you, sir.
you click on this.
Yeah, it's fine now.
You click on this. Just make it smaller.
That side is not showing on my
Which side?
the right column, the right side, those ones.
This one? You
Yes,
need to
everything
click
on
on
that
it.
side. Oh, okay, show me. Okay, yeah,
Yes.
I've seen it. Thank you, sir.
Are we good?
Yes, sir, but a question.
Yeah.
On what condition we make us to choose this kind of visualization?
When you have
Because
like 5, 6, 7, 8 category and you need to show them,
okay.
then this is a good visualization to show. I've just chose this. I mean, I could choose a pie chart, 3, but I just chose this
Yes,
because
yes, I thought of pie chart too.
yeah, but we already have a pie chart. We want just something different. But when you have a lot of categories, this is actually the best. I mean, not like 500 or 50, then it's become a mesh. But like 10, then you can have a tree map because you can see that
So
it
please,
means
is it the same thing with the other visualization that is the number 3 on show me? The third one on show
no,
me.
no, no.
Okay,
This is a table. You
okay,
mean this
that's
is a
a
table?
table.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is like a table. All right, we're almost there. So, we said blue color and this is like gray, blue. So we need to change this color. We can just go to color, edit. No, not. Put this to color, I think. No, sorry. Job classification to color. We put job classification to color, and then we can click on edit color, assign palette, white. We can use gray. We can't use white because of the background. We have white background. So if we use white, so the gray I think is, and then this we can say gray, and blue I will leave it there as blue. And yeah, I think we have everything we need to build our visualization, our dashboard. So we just call this job classification.
Can we put the job classification in label just to have the numbers, or because
If you want.
okay.
I mean, really, it's like this is very flexible if that's what you can, but then I will want you to turn it to percentage. I won't put it, but you can put it. And I want you to turn it to percentage. So I want you to turn this to percent. Is this what you meant?
Yes.
Okay. You can turn it into percentage if you want. You know how to do that, right?
Yes.
Good. For me. And ladies and gentlemen, that's everything. Now we're not going to build a dashboard, put everything together, and see how they work. So that will be in the next class, in which we'll be doing some. We are not more building any visualization. We're going to be presenting on this, and building a very nice dashboard. And how you can say that when you click on white color, you see how everything will change. When you click on gender, on male or female, when you click on Scotland, on England, whichever one you want to use as your filter, you will see how it works together at the end of the day. So yeah, that's yeah.
I have two questions. I changed it to percentage,
Yeah.
but I can't remember how to make the percentage like just round it up so I don't have the.
Okay, 1 second. So you just go is where you put it in the percentage here, then you go to format.
Okay, I go to format afterwards. Okay.
So percentage, but you need to change it to percentage first. Sorry.
Yes, I did. Yes. So, okay, I figured it out. Thanks.
Oh, you can do that.
Now, my other question was, do you want us to just leave our Tableau like this for the next? Because I know you want us to
You,
do.
you can save it. You can save this worksheet. You can save it. Just say save, and it will save. So
we
even
can
if you
save.
close it,
We can save the entire one, not per page, just the entire one.
yeah, you will
Right.
see it with every sheet that you've built, every visualization. So you are saving this workbook. So all this that we've built is in a workbook called Book 3. So you are saving it, and that's it.
Okay, so everything will be in our public. And if we need it, we can always go back.
Yes.
Okay.
Sign in and save.
Why don't I have my...
Sorry, please, how did you add percentage to it, please?
The way we've been doing it, so here, quick table calculation, percentage.
Okay.
Then I don't know, I'll talk to the admin. I don't know when it's our next class. Yeah, so I think. But if you want to play around with the dashboard, play around with it, put them together, see how it works, and then we can do it together. But anyway, I will still do it for you, and we'll see how it works. We'll see how it interacts and interaction.
So, excuse me.
Yes.
So the simple interpretation to this graph now is just showing that white collar job is higher than blue and others. Is there any other meaning or interpretation that we can deduce from this?
So you've got the data for job classification. You're saying the numbers of the customers, 49% are white collar, 29%, 26% blue collar. But that's what we know. But that's when we have a dashboard. Now, those percentage will be broken down. So maybe in Scotland, you have more white collar or blue collar. We don't know. This is not telling us that. Do you get what I'm saying? Like
Okay.
when we had the female male, 49 or 50 something, but we don't know how many women have bank account in Northern Ireland. It's just showing us the total. So everything we have done here is just the total. When you now put the dashboard together, it's the dashboard that is now going to tell you the insight, the very, very insight that you need.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why we've built different sheets. These different sheets will join together to form a very large, big insight, a very massive insight that we are going to see. So, yeah.
Sorry, Tai, my blue color is different from the one showing on the board.
How is it different?
The one showing 25, even the percentage is not even showing on my board because I
I
think
didn't put percentage. The lady wanted to put it, so
it's showing on your board already.
I mean, I just showed her how to put a percentage and how to put decimal places.
Yeah,
So
but
no,
I think there's a little error from my end.
so did you put
this
the count in label, and did you change to percentage of total?
hold on, let me. The count is in is it label? No, it's not on label.
The count
So
should be on label, and then you click here, percentage, quick table calculation, percentage of total. You will get it, and then you will now go here, format, and then percentage.
Thank you. I've gotten
below
it.
decimal.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Sorry for a quick question. Please, can I see like the map on yeah, shit.
You mean this?
I'm sorry, bro. Could you like do this again if I just can't?
Now?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Which
Sorry, what's
everything?
the name of the first one?
Yeah, because like I was on like when my network was bad when you're doing this.
So we said we click region, we put it here, and you will automatically, it's automatic, so you just put it to map, and you can see the map of England, and then we can put region to color, and then we have that. And here is the numbers of customers, because the numbers of count, the rows, is also the number of customers, so we put that to label. And from there, like, we set format, because we just wanted to format it. And then we put like 12. Yeah. I think that's everything we did. Yes, straightforward. I'll do it again. Have you converted your region to map? Do you have longitude and latitude? Hello?
I don't have that. I don't have that, sir.
What is in front of your region? Is it ABC?
Yes, sir.
So click on this and go to geographical row and change it to state and province.
Yeah, I've done that. I've done that.
And what do you have? You have like a map of the world now.
Yeah, yes, I did.
Okay, so you drag it here. You get some. Are you getting something like this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So you change this from automatic to map. You can see. And then we want to distinguish Scotland from England, from Wales. Then you just drag that region into color. That. And then because this is also the numbers of customers they count, we put that to label here. And we get all this. It's coming out formatted because I already did that format just a few seconds ago, but I'll show you. So where are you now? Did you get this map? Did you get this color? Did you get these numbers inside?
Yes, yeah, I did.
Okay, so you will now go to this label, the one with the T. You click on it and then you say format. you change this, yours will be 9, you change it to 12, you can choose how dark you want it to be, and then you choose bold. I'm just
alẹ́ lọ́ máa ń gbá nǹkan lọ́dọ̀ àwọn pípò yìí ẹ́ alẹ́ lọ́ máa ń gbá nǹkan
sorry, can we mute please?
wọ́n bàjẹ́ ó lọ.
So have you gotten to where we are? How to format this?
Yeah, yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Sorry?
Yes, yes, this is who I am.
Okay, that's all. That's what we did. And then we name it here, map.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, that was the easiest. I mean, when you say it looks so complicated, but quite easy.
What did we save it as?
You can save it as so UK customer bank, I mean, for now,
Okay.
because we've not finished.
Okay.
We've not finished. We're still going to build a dashboard that by the time you click on Scotland, you will see how the job classification is going to change, how the gender will change. You will be surprised by all these categories. So that's why I love Tableau. Like, you can actually use them as filter, and you see how it change, how the bank account is changing, how the age is changing. You see how young one of this country is, very young, and some are like 80% women in that place. So all those insights is when we build that dashboard. As they are useless being single, like, I mean, like all these visualization are single, but when they come together, it gives a very powerful insight. Very, very powerful insight.
So, Ty,
Okay.
please, what's the name of the second sheet?
You can see it there on my tab, gender, then distribution by age, distribution by
Gender.
balance, yeah, job classification.
Ty,
Yes.
so when I did the save to the public, it only saved the page I was in at the time.
Only that
It didn't
one?
save it didn't save the entire sheet. It saved only the page I was at the time when I did save to public.
Public.
Do I have to open every page one by one to save it?
Let me see. No, but you don't need to save to your public yet.
Because if we close it, won't we lose it?
No, you won't lose it if you say Control S. When you open it, you're going to see like this, for example. You won't lose it. You will find it here when you open Tableau. Did you get?
Okay. So we do Control S and that's it?
Yeah. Because it's the dashboard that we want to push into our public Tableau.
Olúwa o.
Yeah, Ty.
Yes.
The gender graph.
Yes.
Is showing the percentage, but it's not showing the percent. Yes, this one is not showing the percentage on the graph drawn.
Which graph?
The percentage is just showing. On mine, it's just showing. Okay. But the size is not, as in, it's not divided the way it is on yours. Mine is just on the same size.
You mean like half?
Yes, half. So how can I correct that?
It shouldn't be from the data set. You shouldn't get that. So the gender, and then numbers of customer, or just to
Gender.
label, and then you choose pie chart. Then you can choose entire. Then you choose label. Then you change it to.
So let me try again, please. Gender on row, right?
Sorry,
Gender should be on the row.
I don't have anything on my row. Just push it inside the.
Okay.
And then
what again?
coming. Sorry. So just gender here. What's happening? And then I think I've messed up with this. Let me open a new one. So gender, just push
Okay.
it here. Sorry, what did I push? Gender. And then count in the label. Yeah, that's
Okay.
all. And then pie chart. And you can choose standard to just entire view. If you want to reduce the size, you can
Count on
reduce
the
it.
label.
And then label, you put this to label. And then from the label, you just quick table calculation.
Sorry.
Yeah. And then you can do your format. Percentage.
Percentage. Coming.
Okay.
So I'm coming. Trying to do the percentage. Quick table. It's not. Ooh, it's not working. What's happening here?
Are you using the quick table? Are you using this, the one with the T for your quick table?
Quick table. I saw.
Percentage of total.
Yeah,
Enter.
I'm seeing percentage of total. It's color okay. Then it's still working. I guess I'll do it on my own as an assignment for myself.
What is it bringing out?
It's just showing it's not bringing out the percentage. It's just showing the size of the percentage in the pie chart.
But is it still the same?
No, it slants now a bit, but the percentage is not coming out. It's not showing.
But you only have percentage sign. 54% is not coming out.
Yeah, but I've done it, but it's not still coming out. Quick table, then percent of total. It's not still coming out.
Before the percent of total, was the whole numbers coming out?
Yes.
You didn't use percentile.
Let me just try something again.
Maybe when you watch the video again, you can have a look. But if you know how to get all this that is here, then you shouldn't have any problem.
Okay. The count should be on, should go to the label, right?
Yeah, it has to be on the label. That's why I said with the T, it has to be on the label.
So what about the?
Sorry?
Sorry, I'll do it. Definitely, I'll get it. I'll do it myself.
All right.
Do it myself. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right. Then I don't know when next, because today was not supposed to be our class. When the admin, and we can meet again to make a very nice dashboard visualization. Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
everyone for coming, and have a good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Have a good night.
Good night.
Thank you, Sam. Bye. Bye. Bye.